Good morning, I'm Lindsay with Muller Woodworks, and we are here for another project. We are doing a lean-to today with an extension of a pergola. And the exciting thing is today we are in our own backyard here in Oklahoma, so we get to go home and sleep in our beds at night on this project, which is really exciting, and we're excited to get to it, so let's go. Bracket that is going to hold a 6x6 post, and we've just got finished measuring and laying them all out in their correct spots, so we are about to go ahead and start securing these into the concrete. I put it in the wrong spot. Do not put that online.
It's totally going online.
No. Okay, all the post brackets are in, and now it's time to get the posts in.
We got poles in. Oh, that one's a leaner. Fix that in a minute. Lindsay's down there putting all the 4-inch structural screws through those suckers. Make sure they don't come out. I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting some beams and whatnot so we can work on getting this thing plumb. Coming up on the end of the day. My back hurts from all these 2x10s and 6x6s that are 5 million pounds each. But we got them up. We're taking a break. So next up in the middle here, we're gonna get a header on. it's gonna go from this end to, sorry, that end. I think we're gonna call it a day. Come back tomorrow, start putting joist on both suckers, and yeah. Good morning, we are back on site for day number 2, and we have a special guest. His name is Justin. What up? So we just got all these Simpson joist hangers up on both sides, and we're getting them all the way around, and we're gonna be hanging some joists here pretty soon. We got Lindsay set up over here. She's getting herself a little tied up here. Let me give her a hand. 1 second. Oh, this is a heavy one. Why'd you pick the heavy one?
They're all heavy.
They're all heavy. Okay, so we got her set up over here. She's cutting all the joists to the size we need. And we're just rocking and rolling and having fun. All right, sun finally came out. It's finally warm, and we got the ceiling on, which is nice. It looks good. So we're gonna trim up some of these edges. We got a little bit of overhang, and then we'll pop on some sheathing, and then on to shingles. What's up, buddy?
What up?
We got all the joists on the pergola extension with the purlins. We got all the decking on, making a gorgeous ceiling. And then you can't see it, but zip boards are up top. It's all flashing taped and looking good. So tomorrow we're gonna come back, throw shingles on top, and we should be wrapping this project up. Get up here, Justin. All right, we are now on day 3. Last thing we have to do is put shingles on this roof, and shouldn't take too long. It's not a big spot. We'll knock it out pretty quick, and then we can wrap this job up. Get out of this wind, because it's cold. Yes, sir. We're getting close to being done. Almost. Justin's giving my back a break. I'll get back in there. That is all she wrote on this job, folks. This thing is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. All right, lean-to with pergola extension over the giant hot tub is now complete. You guys really need the scale of this thing. I don't know if I got any photos of it or not, but that's a hot tub. And it's got jets on the end and you can swim in it. I need one. But anywho, customers are happy, we're happy, everything's up and done. That's it for this site. On to the next. Thanks for following along. Give us a like, drop us a follow, subscribe, all that stuff. Thanks so much. Bye.